This is pork and snakehead fish rice soup we were eating when we visited Delcom Meta. We spent all day driving, visiting pagodas, praying. We were exhausted, and on the way back, someone saw a restaurant selling rice soup. We got to stop to eat. It was a good choice. We will recover by the soup. You are watching video of Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. These fish originated from Asia, but now they moved to America, and they live especially in Potomac River, and they destroy the environment. So the government encourage people come out and catch them and eat them. You see, they are in the wild just like freshwater predator. Look at his jaw. Now back into Vietnam, my sister gifted this fish from a friend, and he caught this fish in the wild as well. It means more than 4 pounds. I myself live along the Potomac River in Washington D.C. area. I was able to buy this fish in the U.S. So if you are lucky, try to find one, and you will be glad you did. We Asian people love this kind of fish because of the quality of the meat. My sister decided to cook this fish in rice soup. The first thing need to be toasting the rice and cook the rice in a big pot with a lot of water. Toasting the rice brings more aroma and helps break down the rice faster, and the soup will be velvety smooth. My sister cleaned and scaled the fish and cut into steaks, and to our surprise, the fish has eggs. That means the soup will be more flavorful. To add the fattiness to the soup, she bought pork knuckles. After cleaning and get rid of any possible hair, she plunged in the hot water and cooked them in water until tender. It takes about 1 hour for the pork to be tender. The fish 15 minutes, the rice 45 minutes. After they done separately, we combine all of them together, and that is done for the soup. Now onto fresh shiitake mushrooms. Wash it and set aside. Only need to put into the pot 5 minutes before cooking done. Snakehead fish rice soup is cooked throughout Vietnam, but only in Mekong Delta. People add flair to it by adding fresh bitter green to it. Yes, it's fresh, uncooked, and served at the table. For first-time eater, it seems to be impossible because of the bitterness, but the contrast of bitterness and the sweetness of the fish and the soup soon to be addicted. This is how the bitter greens are grown. Now wash the green onion and cilantro and chopped the ginger sliced thinly, and the garlic and shallots is fried with oil to be fragrant, and add to the pot. Add the seasoning of salt, pepper, fish sauce, and the soup is ready to be served. Add more chili, lime juice, and high quality fish sauce at the table. It's an indulgence. I cannot stop eating. Every spoonful of soup give me strength, give me happiness. Thank you for watching. I hope I inspire you to try new things. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. And I see you next time on the next video.